Hello, my name is Simon and this is Stuart. We are from Huntsman Advanced Materials. Today we are showing and demonstrating you our new structural adhesive Araldite 2023. Araldite 2023 has been designed for big part bonding, as mostly seen in the marine industry. Today we are here in Norway with our partner and customer Mundal Boats, and we are showing you how Araldite 2023 is used in a real-life application. Stuart, please tell us more about this special product, Araldite 2023.
So this is a unique product developed by Huntsman Advanced Materials, which with no surface preparation and little primer allows the user to fit the adhesive into their bonding process. It has high elongation, greater than 100%, which allows for bonding dynamically changing parts, and also has great sagging resistance. The sagging resistance allows the adhesive to be placed overhead or on vertical surfaces. It also has high gap filling ability and will fill a gap of up to 30 millimeters with no problem at all. It also has UV stability, and so the grey colour remains grey and does not yellow with time or exposure to sunlight.